Hey everyone, so here's a question for you today. Have you ever said yes to something and instantly regretted it? Like your friend asks, Bro, can I borrow your notes? You say yes, thinking that they will return it just the way they took it. But when you finally get it back, you realize that it's been through a world tour. There are crumpled pages, random pen marks, and certain words that make you think your entire existence. Like, why is there a big red heart on page 12? And you started thinking that, Bhai, ye notes hai ya love letter? Or your cousin says, just install this one game, nothing else. You install it, and 2 days later, your phone is much slower than your dadi typing a WhatsApp message. See, saying yes to everything is a challenge, is a problem. So, today let's talk about why saying no is actually a superpower.
See, the reason we struggle with saying no is very simple. We don't want to sound rude, right? We think, अगर मैंने ना बोला तो लोग क्या सोचेंगे? But let's be honest. Saying yes to everything is like going to a wedding just for food. But the moment you enter, someone drags you onto the stage to dance. भाई मैं तो बस पनीर खाने गया था, मुझे डीजे वाले बाबू मत बना. And once you say yes, there's no going back. Next time, people will come and say, भाई तू तो हर बार हेल्प करता है, इस बार भी कर लेना. मतलब, am I a human or a free service center?
But don't worry, I'm here to share some tips that how you can say no without feeling guilty.
The first one is the busy no.
Hey, I would love to help, but I am really caught up right now.
What are you caught up in? That's your secret. Could be work, could be Netflix, etc. The second one is the smart redirect no.
Hey, I can't, but I know someone who might be able to help.
And this pass the tension to another over friendly yes person. The third one is the silent no. Just stare at them like your teacher stares at you when you forgot your homework. Complete silence, and they will get the hint.
See, saying no isn't about rejecting others, it's about choosing yourself.
More time, less stress, and better decisions.
So the next time someone asks you for something unreasonable, just put your hand on your heart and say,
भाई मुझसे ना हो पाएगा.
and if this video made you laugh or realize how many unnecessary yeses you have said, hit that like button and for more relatable content, subscribe. Because trust me, guys, that's one yes, you won't regret it.